Alright, boost pump, landing light. Prop mixture. Gear is down.
Skylab 33, turn left at D and then taxi south on Alpha to the ramp.
Delta south and Alpha to the ramp. Skylab 33, am I outbound by chance?
Skylab 33, affirmative, clear to the Burlington Airport, heights 2, departure S, file to maintain 3,000. Expect 5,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.32 and squawk 5132.
Clear Burlington, Northern Heights 2 has file up to 3,000.
85 is busy.
Departure 2832, squawk 5132, Skylab 33.
Skylab 33, read back correct.
Guys got it down. Alright, one red three-way, we can come down a little bit, that's fine. Speed is good, gear is down. There's our 2 red, 2 white. Got a nice crosswind going. I don't know if you guys can see this crab angle I got going here. Frank yelled at me last time for landing a foot short of the threshold, so make sure I don't do that. Oh. Okay, that was some kind of weird gust at the end there. That was interesting.
Turn left at Delta, taxi to the ramp.
Delta to the ramp, have a good weekend.